Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss types of sentences. Okay. So there are six type of sentences, which are assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, affirmative, and negative sentences. Okay. So this is a very basic thing, but I want to teach you that because be good with the basics and the rest will follow. Okay. So be good with the basics. Okay. So let's start. What are assertive sentences? Assertive sentences are describe facts, describe things, report events are called assertive. Okay. So a sentences which describe fact, okay, which describe things, okay, or report events are called assertive sentences. Okay. For example, Dr. Ramesh practices law. The sun rises from the east. It's a fact. Okay. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is also a fact. Okay. So these are assertive sentences. Okay. Next one is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are express an order, a request, advice, a direction, a suggestion, a command, etc. are imperative sentences. Okay, those sentences which express order, request, advice, direction, suggestion are called imperative sentences. Okay, so for example, take these books to the library. Okay, it is a command. Uh, or a request, whatever you want to say. Get me a cup of coffee. Okay, please, it is also a request, humble request. Be neither borrower nor a lender. Okay, it is a suggestion. Let me do that, it is also a suggestion. Okay. uh, Note, there are some sentences which express commands in an indirect way. Okay, there are some sentences which express commands in an indirect way. In these sentences, let is used. Okay, let is used at the beginning of these sentences, and subject is not omitted but expressed in this sentence. So in indirect commands, let is used and the subject is not omitted. Okay, can you see that the subject is understood here? Okay, take these books to the library. There is no subject in these sentences. Okay, in this sentences, subject is understood. Okay, understood means it is suppose someone is saying take these books to the library. If someone is saying to you that take these books to the library, okay, so it is understood that he is telling, he is giving a command to you, okay, or a suggestion or a request to you. Okay, so here the subject is understood. When you use a let, when you use a let uh, in an indirect way sentences, subject is not omitted. Okay, subject is not omitted means subject is there in this sentences. Okay, for example, let the manager talk to the director first. Okay, so in this sentence we use let and the subject is here, the manager is subject here. Okay, so the subject is included in this sentence. Okay, next one is interrogative sentences. Sentences used to make inquiries, sentences which are used to make inquiries and to ask questions, and to ask questions are interrogative sentences. Okay, or we also call these sentences question sentences. Okay, for example, can I help you? What shall we have for lunch? Okay, this is a question. Is the bus late this morning? Question. What is your name? It is also a question. Okay, how old are you? It is also a question. Okay, so these are interrogative sentences. Next one is exclamatory sentences. So in these sentences, we express surprise, admiration, pity, sorrow, and other feelings in an emphatic way are called exclamatory sentences. Emphatic means when you are giving emphasis on your feeling. Okay, for example, how fast time flies. Okay, समय जाते हुए देर नहीं लगती. For next example, what a beautiful view we have from here. Okay, so this is exclamation. In this sentence you are expressing a surprise or feelings, your feelings in a very emphatic way. So that's why you are using exclamation mark here. What a tragedy. Okay, what a tragedy. So it is a feeling of sorrow or pity. Okay, what a wonderful piece of art. It is a admiration feeling. Okay, when you are expressing your admiration to something in a very emphatic way. Okay, for next one is alas, he died. Okay, he died in an accident. Okay, he is sorry, it is a misprint. Alas, he died in an accident. Okay, so it is a feeling of sorrow. Okay, next one is affirmative sentence. You have seen that all sentences given above as examples are statement, commands, question and exclamation. Till now we have seen interrogative, exclamatory, imperative, okay, affirmative, okay, assertive sentences. Till now we have seen commands, question, exclamation. Okay, so these are very affirmative sentences. Why they are affirmed? Because they are affirm something in a positive way. Because they affirm something in a positive way. These sentences affirm something in a positive way. Positive way. Okay. So these are affirmative sentences. The opposite of affirmative sentences are negative sentences. Okay, so these are negative sentences. So negative sentences are, he is not a rich man. Okay, I cannot complete this work today. They don't understand our difficulties. I have never watched a test match. Okay, so these are negative sentences. Okay, so not, never used to make negative sentences, as we all know. But note, commands can also be negative. Okay, commands can also be negative. Okay, uh, for example, don't touch those glass exhibits. Okay, don't touch my computer. Okay, do not leave the class, do not go there. Okay, so these are commands which are negative. Okay, and a question are also negative. For example, hasn't he got a new car? Okay, why didn't you come to the class in time? It is also a negative sentence, plus it is a question sentence. Okay, question plus negative. It is a question plus negative. Okay, so this is the end of this